Coorg, located on the eastern slopes of the Western Ghats, is a border district in the state of Karnataka, bordering Kerala. Coorg is rated as one of the most top hill station destinations within India. Home to the birthplace of River Kaveri, Coorg is undoubtedly a heaven in the lap of nature. Filled with forests, rivers, and waterfalls, some of the most popular tourist attractions in Coorg include the Talakaveri, Abbey Falls, Iruppu Falls, Dubare, Nagarhole National Park, and the Tibetan Buddhist Golden Temple. Abbey Falls is a scenic waterfall 5 kilometers from the city of Madikeri downhill of Pushpagiri Hills. The waterfall is on the early reaches of the river Kaveri, located between coffee plantations with stocky coffee bushes and spice estates and trees entwined with pepper vines. There is a hanging bridge constructed just opposite the falls. Flow is significantly higher during the monsoon seasons over here. The falls was earlier called Jessie Falls, named after a British officer's wife. However, the place was a thick jungle back then. Years later, the waterfall was rediscovered by Mr. Nerwanda B. Nanaya, who bought the place from the government and converted it. Situated on an altitude of 4050 feet, Mandalpatti is Madikeri's famous hilltop. Being a lush green, serene place, Mandalpatti has recently received enormous appraisals from tourists visiting Madikeri. As the area offers tranquility and seclusion, residents of nearby villages often plan their weekend here. A nature lover will surely fall in love with the magnificent beauty of this place. Mandalpatti forms a part of the natural reserves of the Pushpagiri forest. Locally, people call this piece of land as Mugilpete or Mugilpet. The literal meaning of both local names means market of cloud or mist.